Today, I am going to replace a condenser cleaner for Turbo Air pizza prep table. It is a special feature that only Turbo Air brand has. According to them, Turbo Air units don't need to clean condenser because of it. Then let's see what a condenser cleaner is. This is a condenser cleaner. It is always mounted in front of the condenser. It is a simple step to remove it. Remove the 4 screws on both sides and disconnect wire connection. Sometimes the wire is pulled unconditionally without seeing the wire, and then it is broken. After removing all the screws, carefully find the wire on the back of it, and then disconnect the wire. But in this case, you can see the wire. So, after remove all screws, disconnect the wire connection in gentle. I have pre-ordered the part, but how to order, where, and part number will be written down below. Attaching a new condenser cleaner is done in reverse order. Connect the wire connection first. And then hold this condenser cleaner in original place. It is very important to hold in original place and using original screws. The condenser is made by a copper tube. So, if you misplace this cleaner, you can break the copper tube easily. It is necessary to double check that the screw is in the correct position each time the screw is tightened. Also the screws too. If you are not confident with screwing back, you can use a cooler without a cleaner. Just clean the condenser every month. It will have the same effect as an auto condenser cleaner. Now, one more screw. It will be done. Lastly, tidy up the lines, and it is completely done. That's it. It is done. Now, let me check if it will work well. Unplug power. Plug in the power back. Yes. It works well. The black brush is rolling up little by little. According to the manufacturer, it will brush every day. Pretty good feature. This is a video on how to replace a condenser cleaner. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video today.